Mrs. Freer, is it a school day?
It is, Snake. I'm glad you joined us. How are you enjoying work so far?
Oh, I love word families. I'm learning my sounds better. It's not as confusing.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad to know. I'm glad you're doing it every day. If you don't do it every day, you're going to forget. And did you know we're talking about Earth Day this week? And that's good because you live on the earth and we need the earth to be clean for you.
Yes. Can I sing the boys and girls' names today?
Oh, that would be wonderful, Snake. Yes, let's go sing their names. You sing, and I'll let you point and sing. All right. Are you ready?
Yep. Hello, Abby. Hello, Asia. Hello, Benny and Braden. Where are you now?
They're at home.
Hello, Keon. Hello, Jackson. Hello, Joven and Kenzie. Why aren't you at school?
We aren't allowed to come to school right now, Snake.
Oh, hello, Lux. Hello, Liam. Hello, Lucas and Maxim and Michael and Mila and Selma. I can't wait for you to come back to school. I miss you.
I miss them too.
Hello, Aria. Hello, Aveline. Hello, Christiana and Daniel. I hope you come back to school.
They will someday. They will. They'll come for SK, maybe even part of JK, I hope.
Hello, Jasmine. Hello, Juliana. Hello, Liam and Mason Floors and Mason Sing. I bet you're missing each other.
Do you know what, Snake? The mums and dads have been texting me and some of the kids, and they do say they're missing everybody.
Hello, Nadar. Hello, Ruheen. Hello, Sana and Yuvraj and Alexis and Austin and William. I hope you're having fun.
Oh, of course the boys and girls are having fun. They're with their mums and dads. Of course they're going to have lots of fun. And they're seeing me every day and you every day, so that's nice. Okay, what do we do now?
Calendar time.
That's right. Here we go.
Can I do the calendar?
Yeah, I'll point. You do the calendar. I'll pick red like you.
Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know what day it is? Yes, today is Tuesday.
Good, Snake. It is Tuesday. Okay, so yesterday I counted and then the children counted. So let's try that again. Today you're going to count. They're going to say 1 and then you're going to say 2. So everybody, you say 1,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20,
and then I'm going to say 21. Okay, and tomorrow is Earth Day, Snake. That's the day that everybody celebrates the Earth. We should celebrate it every day, like we said in the song yesterday. Every day should be Earth Day. We should always thinking about reduce, reuse, and recycle, not making too much garbage. So I'm going to put you down for a second, and let's see what our actions are. Oh, yeah, our actions are 21 claps. So stand up, everybody. Let's take out our hands. So remember, we clap one by one as we say the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Stop. Okay, let's see what our yoga is today. Oh, quack and a rainbow. Oh, well, there you go. I'm going to need Inky for this one, I think, because I need a partner. You're going to have to partner with your mom or dad, I guess. Let's see what quack says. That's for the qua sound. Qua. See the dancing duck? Stand on one leg and make a quack. Oh, that's kind of like yesterday, so we're gonna have to balance on one leg. Here we go. Remember we did that yesterday for 20 seconds? Balance on one leg, but this time we're gonna say quack, quack, quack. Now try the other leg. Here we go. Quack, quack, quack. Try the other leg again. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Now the other one, a rainbow. Whoa, I love rainbows. We did that nice rainbow book. Like these two friends, join your feet, join your hands, make a rainbow with two ends. So you're going to join your feet. If you have a brother or sister, you could do this, an arch. Let's see if I can do this with, maybe I can do it. Inky, here we go. Let me find Inky. Inky, yes? Will you make a rainbow with me? Okay. All right, let's try. So we have to join our feet and our hands, and we're making a rainbow. Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and purple too. I can make a rainbow, make a rainbow, make a rainbow too. Thank you, Inky. All right. Now, we're going to sit here. And what's the name of our month? Our month is called April. April, April. Days may be warm or cool. It's been a cool April, let's be honest. Let's have fun, but don't be an April fool. We'll look for the garden flowers and watch for April showers. On an April day, we'll sing and play and we'll celebrate birthday at school. April, April, was it time for a holiday? Easter bunny is hopping along the way. The leaves on the trees will start growing. The farmers, they'll be hoeing. It will be green because it's spring now that April is here to stay. So remember our poem? April showers bring May flowers. So we do have some flowers in the gardens right now. Your gardens probably will have daffodils, maybe some hyacinths, some crocuses. Maybe the tulips are coming up. So they need that rain. So today it's rainy again. Let me find my rainy word. Oh, rainy. And it's a little bit windy today, so I have to find the word and windy, windy. Let's find my rainy picture. Today it's a little bit cooler. It's 8 degrees. So let's read the words again. Today's weather is rainy and windy. The temperature is 8 degrees above zero. Okay, so let's get our weather chart. Rainy and windy. Good. All right, so now are we ready to do our word families? I'm going to get Inky to help me today. So our letters for today, you're going to put it on pause. These are the letters for today. Get these letters, put it on pause, and then when you've got your letters set, then you can come back and turn on the CD. Okay, you're back. So that means you have your letters out. So we have the same vowel that we had on Monday. What sound does this say? Ah. And what's its name? Oh, that's right, Inky. Okay. What sound does it say? The children say it first, and then Inky. Ka. And what's its name? C. In the alphabet song A, B, C. Now I'm going to reach over here. What does this say? Ka. what's its name? K. Now, when we're doing spelling, if it's an ending sound in English words, lots of times it's these two letters together. So it's the shorter letter first, caterpillar, K, and kick and K. It's like they're twins. It's like they're Austin and Alexis. They're twin letters. So when I say the sounds today, if it ends with K, it's probably going to look like this. So don't forget that. I'm going to leave that there as a clue for you. Okay, let's get this letter. What does this say? Da. That's right. And what's its name? D. D. That's right. It says D. What sound does this say? Ooh. That's right. And its name is L. It's not la. It's L. And name is L. Okay. What sound does this say? Ra. And what's its name? R. R. I beat you to it. Okay. What's this sound? Ta. Ta. And its name is T. Yeah, not tea you drink, but the letter T. That's right. And what sound does this say? Pa. That's right. And its name is P. P. That's right, P. Good. All right, so Inky, you're going to sit back in your chair and you're going to build some words. And the boys and girls are going to build their words now. So are you ready? Are your eyes looking at your letters? Are your ears listening to the words I'm going to say? Okay, so the very first word we're going to make is lot. We are building a lot of words. Lot. So you do it. The first sound is L, the middle sound is A, and the ending sound is T. Snip, snap, your letters should be made. La, A, T, lot. Okay, next word, lock. When you go to bed at night, you lock your door. La, A, K. Now I'm going to help you with this one because remember I told you, both of these sounds have to go. So the caterpillar goes first, it's a shorter one, and then the taller letter goes next. They're like twin letters. La, A, K. Remember, it's just for the ending sounds, it's not for the beginning sounds of K. Next word, rock. This week on Friday, you have to have a rock ready for art time. Rock. Can you remember that to get a rock? It's the beginning sound. Where's rock? There it is, rock. Oh, I didn't put my letters out yet. Let's see. Lot, rock, and rock. Right, next word. Rot. Have you ever seen anything rot? Compost turns to rot and then turns to soil. So rot can be a good thing. Rot. Rot. I have to take off both my letters. They both have to take them off. I'm going to put them together to help me find them again. Rot. Rot. Next word, dot. The I has a dot, a little dot over it to make the I. Dot. Da-ot. Is it the first, second, or the ending sound you're changing? It's the beginning sound, isn't it? The first sound is changing that you're hearing. Dot. Dot. Next word, dock. If you have a cottage and a boat, you need a dock to put the boat, to get into the boat. Da-ock. Can you remember how to make the ka? Da-ock. It's the ending sound you're going to change. You do it quickly. Snip, snap. Dock. So these two letters together. Dock. Next word. Cod. A cod is a kind of fish. Cod. Cod. Oh. So you know what? This is a switcheroony. It's a switcheroony. So take off, except you don't need the kicking cup. And now do switcheroony. Switcheroony. Cod. Codfish. Maybe you could catch a cod off your dock. Next word. Oh, another fishing story. Rod. We need a fishing rod to catch the cod on the dock. Rod. 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 Oh, I know I have to change the beginning sound. Rod. New word. Pod. Peas grow in a pod. 5 little peas in the pea pod pressed. Pod. Pod. Let's build the word pod. Pod. There we go. Pod. Next word. Pot. Pot. To grow plants, you need a flower pot. 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 It's the ending sound that changed, wasn't it? Pot. The ending sound changed. Pot. Oh, we're down to the challenge words. We've got 2 challenge words. Pock. Do you ever heard of chicken pox? Sometimes you have one pock. Might leave a scar. I have a pock mark in my eye. Pock. Pa-ock. How do we make the cup? Do you remember? It's a few letters together. Make the cup. There's lots of things to remember when you're learning how to make words. Pock. Okay, now this one's a real challenge word. Plot. Sometimes we call, if you've got a vegetable garden, you call it the vegetable plot. Plot. That's a challenge. Try to listen to the sounds again. Plot. You build your word now. You have to sound it out. Plot. That's a challenge word. If you didn't get it, that's okay. That's a bit harder. It's more challenging for your brain. Okay, so I'm going to put the letters down and take them down again. And now I'm going to sort the word families. So here we go. First, we're going to look for words that end in ought. So I'm going to start with my friend Kenzie. Can you find an ought word? Ought. Good, you started at the top. Lot. Now I'm going to ask my friend Lux. Can you find an ought word? So come along. Look for a word that ends in OT. Ought. There, you found it. Ought. Good, Lux. Ought. Now let's see if Lucas can find an ought word. Did you find it, Lucas? Dot. Good. Now we're going to ask Mason Flores if you can find an ought word. So keep looking. Oh, I don't know. Maybe there's no more ought words left. Oh, here's one. Ought. Pot. Good, Mason Flores. And I'm going to ask Mason Singh. Can you find an ought word? Plot. Good, Mason Singh. So ought words, we don't have to say ought. We can just say ought. So we can go ought, lot, ought, rot, ought, dot, ought, pot, and ought, plot. That's called blending when we do it like that. Now we're going to look for words that end in ock, O-C-K. So So I'm going to ask my friend Maxim. Maxim, can you find an awk word? Awk. Lock. Good. And I'm going to ask my friend Michael, can you find an awk word? Awk. Good. Rock. You rock. Don't forget to get a rock for Friday. And I'm going to ask Nadar, can you find an awk word? Awk. Dock. Good, Nadar. And I'm going to ask my friend Raheen to find an awk word. So let's look. Is that awk? No. Nope. Nope. That says awk. Pa-awk. Good, Raheen. Now our last family of words ends with OD, odd. Can you find words that end with odd? So I'm going to start with Michael. Michael, can you find an odd word? Odd. Cod. Good, Michael. Mila, can you find an odd word? Odd. Rod. Good. And Selma, can you find the last odd word? Did you say pod? Yeah, that was it. So remember again, the clue to reading is these are blended, so you don't have to go odd. You can just say odd. This is always going to say odd. So you just add the beginning sound and say odd to make the word ca-odd, cod, ra-odd, rod, pa-odd, pod. Now, I want you to open up your book and you're going to copy on your next page. You're going to copy out the letters that we had for today. Put your video on pause while you do that, and then when you're done, I'll dictate the words. Okay, let's get our words ready. All right. So the first word you're going to make today, so these are all going to be, I'm just going to give you a clue. These are all going to be words that end with the awk family. So remember, it's going to end as awk, just so you don't get mixed up. Lock. Does your mommy lock the house, or does daddy lock the house? So ka, and it's both caterpillar ka and kicking ka. So you build it. I don't want you to look at my word. Okay, when you're done, your word should look like this. See how nice and neat it looks? The tall letter starts here, the two tall letters, and the shorter letters go in between the two blue lines. Okay. The next word. Sock. We didn't do that word, but it's an awkward sock. You have to put a sock on your foot to keep your foot warm in the winter. Sock. You build it. Sock. And the last word is a bit of a challenge, because I think you're up to challenges. Clock. The clock tells us what time it is. So it's a caterpillar cut to start with. So it's going to actually have a caterpillar cut in front of a lock. Clock. That's a clue. Clock. So you're going to do a ka and then lock. It says clock. So try that. Ka. And just a reminder, are you using your froggy fingers? I know most of you are, but some of you still were having a habit of going like this or funny ways. We're doing more and more printing, so you want to be able to use your froggy fingers. Make sure you're using froggy fingers. All right, so turn the video off, and then you can start when you're finished your work. So you're going to draw a clock. So the clock would be a circle with numbers. A sock you can draw. I'm not sure if you can draw a lock. Here's a picture I have of a lock. This is like a bicycle lock. block. So you turn your video on pause, and then I'll see you at story time.